I'm holding myself accountable, and I'm restarting from day one. Hey, I'm Imani Janae, holistic health and wellness coach. And if you're new here, welcome to the #1 judgment-free holistic health and wellness community where we empower you to live a life of good health, peace, and joy. And if you are not new here, welcome back. Okay, I'm about to take y'all along with me as I restart, okay, for the second time, my 90-day cellular reset cleanse, okay? I started on January 1st and I was doing really, really well. I made a deal with myself before the 90-day reset that if I messed up and did not stick to the script for 3 days, I would restart. And this is just me staying committed to myself, staying committed to my goals, and just holding myself accountable. So this past week, I did not, it is now January 21st. I did not stick to the script. I was not prepared. And I think that's the only thing that caused me to, not stay on track with my eating and my herbs. So because I did not stay on track, I'm holding myself accountable and I'm restarting from day one. Okay, so I'm 21 days in, or was, 21 days in? Now we're starting back at day one. I'm also going to document it and take y'all along with me on the journey because I'm not perfect. And I want y'all to see that though I am a health and wellness coach, y'all, I make mistakes too. I also go through challenges too in my healing journey. And I want to take y'all along with me to just uplift you and let you know you can do this too. All right. So here is to day one of starting my cleanse. Actually, day one may be tomorrow. So day one is going to start on January 22nd. But today I am prepping to be successful this time. Okay. So today I'm going to get my groceries. I already have all my herbs that I need. So I'm going to start fresh and get some new groceries. If you started a cleanse or anything for the new year, let me know how it's going in the comments. If you're also one who doesn't start new things come January 1st, I completely understand that too. I feel like that is part of the reason why I wasn't as successful is because I started something January 1st. I normally don't start new things on January 1st. I wait until about springtime. But I want to jumpstart this healing, okay, and continue with the healing that I've been doing. If you've done a 90-day cleanse, drop in the comments how you got through it. If you've done any type of cleanse, drop in the comments how you got through it. And I would love to hear about your journey as well. But let's get into it, y'all. Okay, this is the We're going to start day one tomorrow, but I'm just going to take y'all along with me. So I'm going to order groceries online and get them delivered, okay? And yeah, I'm so excited. All right, make sure you stay tuned. We're going to document 90 days. Cellular reset. We're getting down to the nitty gritty, okay? We're retraining the entire body, okay? Let's get it. All right, see y'all.